How to fix Messenger not showing active friends. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix Messenger not showing active friends. So first thing what you can do is make sure you have enabled your active status on your settings. So first thing, just head over to your Messenger application, and inside your Messenger application just tap on this menu button at the bottom right corner. The UI has been updated recently, so make sure you follow along. And once you're inside here, just tap on this settings button over here. And once you're inside your settings, just tap on this active status and make sure you have enabled this option. So if you want to disable it, you can also disable it as well. But if you have enabled it and if you are still not seeing your friends online like this, then in that case what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down until you see the application options. So just tap on your apps option and just locate your Facebook Messenger application. So I'll just locate my Messenger application just like this. And once you are inside here, just scroll down and click on this storage option and just click on clear cache data and clear all the data from over here. And once you do that, you may have to re-enter your login credentials and you should be successfully seeing all of your online friends just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.